Hey my sugars, welcome back to my channel. Right now I got to declutter, so y'all get the luxury of watching me declutter. So I'm in what I call our laundry room, because we keep like our extra clothes in here, and we're about to move, so I'm cleaning up a lot of stuff and throwing away a lot of stuff. And I was like, well, let me go and declutter these hair products so we can get them out of the way. Like, let me show y'all before we get started. And I think I'm going to the living room to do this because I got more space. It's too crowded in here, honestly. So I have to do this right here. As you can see, I got some hair products in there too, but it look like some stuff I bought from Christmas. Crazy, right? Never opened it. But mainly just hair products I'm decluttering. Gotta get rid of these throwaways, things like that. Let me show y'all the products if I really like them. Now I also got this right here too. This stuff right here, a whole thing of this, my cleaning stuff I'm gonna clean with. But I got a whole like stuff just shoved in here, and it was organized, but not so much now. We can't have that. We ain't about to have that. So I don't know which one I want to start with. Probably the smallest one. I know I got a lot of throwaways, but we'll get to that in the next video. But anyway, I'm finna move this stuff into the living room. I already got my gloves handy, because products do spill, and I do not like having nasty hands. I don't like anything on my hands. As y'all saw, I got my Lysol wipes. Got my Lysol spray. I got an extra bag. I bet y'all like, what that little bag gonna do? That's not the only bag I got, but and I got this rag, and I have a 30-gallon trash bag. So with that being said, let's go get started. So y'all see how messed up that thing was? I'm definitely gonna take this to the bathroom and wash it out, because it was that black soap shampoo that was in that yellow bottle that I showed y'all. That's what was in the bottom of my thing. Like, when did you spill out? First of all, I need to keep up on my maintenance, so we ain't gonna ask when did it spill out, but things happen, products leak, stuff like that. But I'm gonna try to make these things brand new, because this is a big no already. Never again. But let's continue. I'm in my favorite area, the bathroom, and right now I'm about to wash this toe out in the bathroom tub, in the bathtub. This is crazy. Like, I did not know that all these products spill. Like, but it's reality. It happens. So I just disinfected this really well. I missed a spot. We'll get to that. I took it apart, cleaned it, washed these. That's why they look so smudgy. Soap and water, disinfected spray Lysol. So now I just gotta wipe this stuff down right here. Those are my shoes too. But I just gotta wipe this stuff down right here and separate it like I had to separate it the first time. And that shouldn't take long, but it'll probably take like 20 minutes. Anyway. All right, I am done. I'm so country. I'm done organizing everything. I got like my shampoos and conditioners right here. Got all that type of stuff in there in the top part. Close that back peacefully. I'm gonna do another video with these products right here, so we ain't gonna look at that yet. And I got like my leave-in conditioners and styling gels and styling butters all in one part. I really don't have a lot. I'm glad I did this because I can see what I need to buy and what I don't need, honey. And right here I just got like all of my oils, you know, like my little scalp treatments and things like that. And I made sure I close these really, really, really tight. This some good stuff too right here, y'all. And then I found this. Like, how could I forget about you? I'm definitely gonna use you, but yeah, so pretty much that's all I got right here. And I got my foams in here as well. And my grease, like I said, just scalp treatments, things to help mold my hairstyle, stuff like that all in one. So if you look at this now, it kind of definitely looks empty, but it freed up a lot of space. And this ain't it. This is only the first part. So now we got to get to part 2. Well, I was gonna split it, but I'm gonna include it in this video as well. But now we about to get down and dirty with the second part. Now the second part might not take me that long, but we'll see. I'm finna go get it. Pray for me. But yeah, so me cleaning off those items, I use Lysol wipes to clean them off, and I put them in separate bins, separated them. That didn't take me too long. It took me about 20 minutes, like I said. But the other bin isn't as filthy as this one was, like, so that should be a breeze. But enough talking, let me go grab it. So this is the second portion that I got to declutter, y'all. I'm looking at this thing like, I got some good products in here. And not only do I got good products in here, but I got some in these bags right there. I got some over here that I'm spilled out in. I got a whole Sally's bag full. Like, where do my mind be? Like, this is a lot. But I think I'm going to do a product giveaway. Or I'm going to give it away to some people I know. Or just ask if anybody needs some natural hair products. Since everybody always asks me about my natural hair, I'm going to bless somebody with some. So, really it's going to be a free giveaway. Because I want to ship it to one of my supporters. But at the same token, I don't know how this is going to hold up. But let's get this mess out of the way. Now with this one, I'm about to just go ahead and dump that bad boy out on the floor. Because, or should I not do that? We'll see. We'll see. Yup. Let's get started. And I was going to dump it, but I see I got perfume in here as well. I wonder where this came from. Anyway. Now these lashes are definitely going in the trash. I don't even wear lashes. Don't even know where I got them. Oh, my bad. It was a gift from somebody in the past. Definitely gotta go. In the trash they go, sugar. Oh, Jesus. I got a lot of stuff. I cannot believe myself. Like, how could I just do this? That's so careless. I need to find an area to prop this up so y'all can see. Let's see. Is that good? Can y'all see? Okay. Y'all ready to see what this decluttering section look like? Not too bad, not too shabby, but I did clean this out, and this is what came out. Well, some of that came out of here, but for the most part, this is what came out of here. That so now I gotta go separate this into the thingamajigger that y'all saw earlier with the other hair products. So that's what I'm about to go do, pretty much, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna organize the rest of this stuff. And I'm trying to see where I want to put all my perfume because I got a lot, but phew, I'm gonna keep out what I want to throw away and keep and try again, or stretch it. We'll see. Oh my goodness, this is a lot. I'm tired, but I said I wanted to be done before 2, and it's only like 12 something, so I did a darn good job. So this video will be going up real soon. And I definitely ran out of space. We are at capacity. So I gotta get another one of these. I mean, I didn't pack it too tight. I still can open it freely, as y'all can see. So I ain't pack it too tight. So basically my conditioner, shampoos up here. My gels and like styling creams and stuff like that is up here. I know I ain't seen this in so long. But yeah, like my gels and styling creams and stuff is all right here in one. And I did what I thought was smart for me. You remember when I told you I put like my oils and my grease and stuff down here? Well, I added my butters too. It's like, might as well, because when I lock it in, I'm gonna go down here to find something like that brush the ends with anyway. And this is just the extra product I have out right now. I do have more product in my room that I gotta go get, and I gotta sort that out, but for the most part I am done. I just gotta see what I'm gonna do with these product empties and stuff, and honey, we just done for the day. And I gotta detoxify this scalp, so y'all stay tuned for that as well.